What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. So Home Depot's got the special buys of the day, and today they got some tools going on. So let's go ahead and jump into it. First up, they got the Dewalt 20 volt max 7 tool combo kit. This is going to come with a tough system case, so nice pickup here. This one's going to come in at $479. With this one, you're going to get one 4 amp hour battery, two of the 2 amp hour batteries, and then you'll see you got the drill driver, the impact, the circular saw, multi-tool grinder, the sander. Get a work light with this one, and then the tough case to throw everything in. This one coming in at $479. Next to that, we got the M18 Fuel 2-tool combo kit. So you get your hammer drill, your impact, two 5 amp hour batteries, and then they're throwing in the one-handed recip saw, which is also a fuel tool. You get the dual charger and the hard case, $349 for that one. And then we got some Ryobi HP tools. You get the drill, the multi-tool, the recip saw. Looks like you're going to get a couple batteries with this one. It looks like you're going to get a 2 amp hour battery and a 4 amp hour battery, the charger, soft case, $279 for that one. All the way to the right here, we got the rigid subcompact 8-tool combo kit, $549 for that one. We scroll down a little bit here. Got some DeWalt Atomic combo kits here that's going to come with a free tool of choice. So with this one, you can get the one-handed recip for $219. They got the 6.5-inch circular saw for $219. You get your angle grinder for $219, or you can throw in another battery. This is a 5 amp hour battery, also for $219. They got the 10-tool combo kit for DeWalt here for $569. With this one, it looks like you're only getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tools total. The rest are going to be just work lights, and it looks like a blower and a vac, Bluetooth, a radio. Next up, they got some more Atomic stuff going on. They got the Atomic drill driver kit. This is going to come with the oscillating tool, $149. And then they got the Atomic impact. This one's going to come with the hammer drill, $149 for that one. And then they got the drill driver and the hammer drill over here for $149. Looks like they got a couple more combos going on here with an extra tool. They got the impacts for $149. And then they got the combo kit again with the multi-tool for $219. All right, guys, so over here, they got another DeWalt combo kit. So with this one, it looks like you're getting 6 tools, and then they're throwing in the ratchet with the tough system case, $599. This is also part of the gift center. And then over here, they got the same setup, but they're throwing in the recip saw for $599. Then they changed up a little bit with the extra tool here. You get the jigsaw, you can get the battery, or you get the impact, $599 for all of those. All the way to the right here, we got the Ryobi 2-tool combo kit. This is the carving tools for $99. And it looks like they got some rigid stuff, the 15 amp, 10-inch job site table saw, rolling stand, and then the 18 gauge nailer, $469. You got the Milwaukee M18 pack out, wet and dry vacuum, $169. You got the M18 Fuel 6-gallon wet and dry shop vac with the Sawzall, and they're throwing in a few batteries with this one also for $349. And then all the way to the right here, they got the M18 1-inch SDS rotary hammer, and then it looks like they're throwing in a couple batteries, and then the blower for $419. Looks like they got a little bit of outdoor power equipment going on here. So M18 Fuel, Gen 2, Sawzall, and they got this matched with the blower, 2 batteries for $419. They got the MX Fuel 3600 watt push start portable battery generator. This is nice, a little pricey for me, $2,099. And then they got the M18 Fuel string trimmer that has the quick disconnect, quick lock system. And it looks like they got the pole saw attachment with this one. You get the blower, you get the 8 amp hour battery with this one, the charger. Be able to pick this up for $429. And then next to that, they got the same setup, but they're throwing in the brush cutter with this one. So this is the brush cutter attachment. And they got the pole saw for your string trimmer, $5.49 for that one. All right, scroll down a little further. Got the M18 Fuel Gen 2 mid-torque half-inch impact wrench. Then you get the light, a couple batteries, $3.59. We got the Ryobi 1+ HP 10-inch sliding compound miter saw tool only for $2.29. Next to that, we got the Dewalt Atomic half-inch drill driver kit, the 30-piece screwdriving set for $99. Then all the way to the right here, we got the rigid subcompact 3/8-inch right angle drill kit with the 2 amp hour max output battery, charger, and the bag for $139. Looks like we got some Milwaukee stuff. We got the Milwaukee M12 rivet tool kit with the grease gun, $379. We got the stubby 3/8-inch impact wrench kit for $299. And then it looks like they got the half-inch ratchet kit with the grease gun, $269. Then all the way to the right here, they got the M12 1/4-inch ratchet kit with the grease gun for $279. Here's the rivet tool kit with the Bluetooth radio for $379. Next to that, they got the M12 fuel hammer drill with the impact driver combo kit. Getting 3 batteries with this one for $174. And then they got the M18 fuel hammer drill impact driver combo kit. Looks like you're going to get 2 batteries, the charger, hard case, and then they're throwing in the router. $349 for that one. And then all the way to the right here, same setup, except this one they're throwing in an inflator, and that's also going to be $349. All right, down here we got the M18 7¼ inch circular saw, along with the tower light, 2 6 amp hour batteries, $379. The rigid grease gun kit, $189. And then they got the caulk and adhesive gun kit by Rigid for $99. And then all the way to the right here, we got the Ryobi belt sander tool only for $79. Got some Ryobi HP. This is a table saw, 8¼ inch tool only, $199. They got the track saw tool only for $199. And then they got the Ryobi jigsaw, and they're saying you're getting a free 2 amp hour battery with this one for $84.97. This is not the 1+. Not a really good deal on this one. And then all the way to the right here, they got the Dewalt jigsaw with 2 of the 5 amp hour batteries. This is the XR for $199. We got the Dewalt Impact with the Power Stack battery starter kit for $149. The XR recip saw with 2 batteries for $199. And then right here we got the Atomic 1/4 inch impact driver, 2 amp hour battery, and a 5 amp hour battery charger in the bag for $149. And then all the way to the right here, 6.5 inch circular saw, 3 amp hour battery, charger, $149. All right, down here to the left, we got the 6.5 inch Sidewinder style circular saw, a couple batteries with this one, $199. Got the recip with the 3 amp hour battery for $149. Got a DeWalt fixed base router, 2 batteries for $199. And then all the way to the right here, we got the DeWalt Atomic multi-tool, 3 amp hour battery, charger, $149. It looks like we got some hand tools. Got the DeWalt Tough System with 226 piece mechanic tool set, $239. We got the Milwaukee ratcheting wrench set, 30 piece for $339. Got the Ryobi batteries, rigid batteries. Some more batteries down here. We got the DeWalt for $149. Got the DeWalt Tough System, $199. And we got the fan by DeWalt with 4 batteries for $199. And then over here we got the 2 amp hour battery by Ryobi for $34.97. Got a bunch more batteries for the special buys. Rigid fan. Got the rigid light, some Milwaukee circular saw blades, hole saw kit. Got some more ratcheting wrench sets down here by Milwaukee for $179. Got the pack out tumblers, 2-pack for $44.97. Got the hammer with the pry bar, and that's just about it, guys. So I just want to do a quick run through of special buys of the day for Home Depot. Bunch of combo kits going on from Milwaukee, Dewalt, Rigid, Ryobi. Hopefully you guys found the video useful. If you did, smash the like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Finding any good deals during Black Friday or Christmas sales. I haven't been seeing a whole lot, unfortunately. It doesn't seem like we're going to get really good deals this year. But hopefully, end of year, we'll get some clearance deals. I'll make sure I do some videos on that. I'll be coming out with a Lowe's video again here, probably Wednesday. So stay tuned for that. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Till the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.